Hi, welcome to TMetric Tutorials. This video provides information for flexible billing and invoicing in TMetric. TMetric allows you to assign billable rates to a workspace, a specific project, a client, and workspace members. These are the external rates to invoice your clients. When creating a billable project, you can select a billing type. Time and materials. When you plan to bill your client at specific hourly rates. Fixed fee. If you want to get paid for the entire project without considering the time spent on its implementation or the people who worked on it. Or, you can leave it non-billable, for example for your company's internal projects, which don't need to be paid for. Once you accomplish your work, accurate and timely invoicing becomes important. TMetric can easily serve as invoicing software as it allows you to quickly create invoices and get paid faster. You can keep track of how much to bill your clients and mark invoices as paid when you accept payments. Last but not least, in TMetric, you can manage your company's payroll and accurately pay your staff on time. To assign the rates to a team member, I navigate to their profile in the TMetric workspace. Finally, a payroll is created based on the team's summary report, which shows summarized information about all the members of the workspace. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.